Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Craftsman 6-gallon Pancake air compressor. I got a used one. I think it's the version, or I guess the condition was very good, so it should be pretty good. And then I also got the Astro AI tire pressure gauge. So we're going to be unboxing this today, and we're going to just see what it looks like as you unbox it. So this is used, the air compressor, and this is new. All right, so first we're going to open this. I'm going to try to open this with one hand. Wow, I already ripped the box. Oh, okay. So it is one of these type of boxes. You got to take this out first if you want to keep the box. I already ruined mine, but that's fine. So this is it. Looks like it comes with some Loctite or some sort of tape to make sure that it's tightened up. I think it's called Loctite. I don't know what it's called. And here's the gauge itself. It's new, so yeah, there's no markings or nothing on it. And that's it. Yeah, it looks like it's just these, the gauge itself and these pieces here. And then it comes with a little thank you booklet and probably a manual. Yep, user manual. So now let's open up the compressor. So I wonder if someone bought this and they just didn't like it, or whatever happened, and just put it back themselves, or I don't know if they repackaged them. But yeah, let's take a look. So we got this, looks kind of ripped up. And here's the compressor itself. It doesn't look like there's any wrapping or anything, so let's just lift it out. It's pretty heavy, honestly. Got to make sure you have a good back, or if you're just young. It's somewhat heavy. And here is the 13-piece accessory kit, which just looks like it came in a Ziploc bag, which is fine as long as everything works. I'm not too worried. But I wonder if this was the last owner that put all this in here. But regardless, as long as everything works, I don't really care. I'm gonna be using this to top off the air on my cars, on the tires, mostly. Like I said, it's kind of heavy. So here it is. It doesn't look like there's too much wear on it. It looks somewhat new to me. Yeah, but this was just an unboxing, guys. There's nothing else in the box other than the compressor. Looks like the hose is already just kind of sitting around it, not attached. And it looks like the power cord is over here, wrapped up. And the 13-piece accessory kit, which I assumed if you got it new, maybe it would have been packaged individually or just differently, but this was used. I think the condition was like new, if not good. But yeah, so that was the unboxing, guys. I'll be posting another video on how this works, and how I like it and all that, and how it works out, and how well it works to fill out the tire pressure on my cars. Because that's what I bought it for, and that's what I bought the Astro AI gauge for, because I thought it looked pretty cool. So regardless, I wanted to have this so I can just sit next, or I can just fill it up with this and just be able to see the PSI as I fill it up. But yeah, guys, if anything, just please post a comment if you have any questions, any thoughts. I'll be doing more unboxings, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how I feel about this later in the future.